How to make 90% creamy ice cream, like creamy ice cream. So I'm just craving for ice cream this morning, so I decided to make strawberry ice cream. I'm going to show you how I make my 90% healthy creamy ice cream. So I decided to use my frozen strawberry to make this ice cream. If you're a pregnant woman, or you're not a pregnant woman, or you're a diet woman, or if you're a diet person, you can actually eat this ice cream because it's 90% healthy, like 90% fruit, strawberry fruit I actually use on this recipe, and your children also can actually eat it. This is 90% no sugar. I woke up this morning, I was so craving for ice cream. I don't know if you're a pregnant woman, do you ever have any food you craving for, like any food at all? So like in this pregnancy, that is what I actually witnessed, like craving for food. Before, when somebody tell me, oh, pregnant women, they do craving for food, I was like, oh, all those things is a joke. Maybe they just want to say that, but I witnessed it in this pregnancy. That is why you say, that is why this life, you don't have to argue somebody, because you don't know. If you're not in that person's shoe, you will not understand it. So this morning I was so craving, like craving so bad, and decided to make my homemade ice cream. And guys, I know this ice cream is going to be so creamy. Like as you can see the way I was making it, I am really enjoying it, seeing myself making it and also seeing myself eating it. This is like 100%.